Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product that is said to be a holy grail product for almost all of us. But is it really a holy grail? Moving on to the product, it is Dot Key Skincare 10% of Niacinamide Serum. Actually, Dot Key has gifted it to me, but at the time my skin condition was not well. I was going through a lot of acne issues, and as you can see, there are a lot of acne scars and marks on my face. But today I'm confident enough to share my reviews on this serum with before and after results. I hope it may help you. So let's talk about ingredients. So it contains 10% of niacinamide, 1% of zinc, vitamin B5, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid. If you have problematic skin like I do, then it's said to be amazing. The reason why I decided to use niacinamide serum is because niacinamide is known for minimizing the pores, fading dark spots, regulating the sebum production, and improving the overall skin texture. If you have acne and blackheads, then niacinamide serum works great for you. If you want to know about the side effects of niacinamide, so I didn't notice any. And if I particularly talk about niacinamide serum, I'm not including any specific brand. So there is no side effects of niacinamide. It suits almost all the skin type. Specifically, it's meant for sensitive skin. They can tolerate it. I have been trying out a lot of niacinamide serum from various brands, and I've noticed that it really helps in reducing the sebum production and minimizing the pores. Niacinamide can be combined with any of the active ingredient, whether it's retinol, glycolic acid, or any AHA or BHA. You can use it in both day and night time according to your preference, but if you're using it in daytime, then make sure that you apply sunscreen after this. If I talk about particularly this product, I have noticed that it didn't work on active acne, but surely it's very hydrating because of the presence of hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and many botanical extracts in it. It really helps in reducing the sebum production and minimizing the pores. I have noticed the reduction in blackheads, and the skin texture is also improved. But I stopped using this product because I was not sure about the ingredients. It contains fragrance, it contains silicones, and it contains MIT. So anybody who is sensitive to fragrance can skip it, although it doesn't have any noticeable scent to it. So it also contains a controversial ingredient that is methylthiazanone. I hope I pronounced it right, but it's a preservative. MIT is most common in skincare products that are claiming to be natural, and it may cause some skin allergies. The use of MIT has been banned in a lot of countries, and I don't know why Indian brands are including it in their skincare products and claiming that they are natural. So I will never ever recommend this serum to any of you. Maybe you're sensitive skin type, or maybe you are any skin type, because it can sensitize your skin, it can aggravate your acne badly. Rather than doing a patch test, I'll suggest you to check the labels first. It may save your money. However, I can't deny the fact that it really works in reducing the sebum production plus minimizing the pores. But I was little skeptical while using it. I was not sure about the ingredients. I don't know why Dot Key have included MIT in it. I think they will gonna work on the formulation. While using this product, I didn't notice any side effects, but every third day I was encountering a new pimple. I don't know if it's countable in the side effect or not, but I'm not sure. And lastly, it has silicones in it. They are hydrophobic in nature, means they repel water. And make sure that you double cleanse your face because they are hard to rinse off. Ideally, silicone should not be used on daily basis. It can be used for condition specific reasons like wound healing or scar improvement. I would suggest you guys to experiment a lot with your skin. Don't make your face a chemistry lab. So this was my honest opinion about Dot Key Skincare 10% of niacinamide serum. I've literally used it 3 months, and definitely I'm not gonna repurchase it. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for more such reviews. See you in my next video. Till then,